Hey, look what we've got for you today. A little English sports car. This is a 1953 MGTD. We are offering it for sale. If you go to volocars.com, you get all the specs, pricing, photos top to bottom, and we do have a few hundred other collector cars on there for sale as well. But let's take this for a spin. I'll tell you what I know about it. It's a ground-up restoration. Actually, it comes with a folder stuffed with receipts and documents. Spent $4,000 rebuilding the motor, which I will open and we'll start it in a minute. That's completely rebuilt, and just an endless list of minor things from rebuilt gauges to fuel pump to tires, whatever it may be. The car's in really nice shape, top to bottom, mechanically excellent. Drive it, use it, enjoy it, have fun. The MG is a pretty simple, basic car. It's got all new tires on it, new chrome on the bumpers, the brackets are painted, the hardware, everything's really nice, tail lights, the rims are restored. It's got a black convertible top. It does have side curtain windows, but they haven't been restored in a while. You'll probably want to redo those or replace them. This is actual leather upholstery. The dash has all been restored. The instruments work. Steering wheel's in excellent shape. There's a chrome frame around the windshield's real nice, and that does tilt. See, the motor compartment is all redone. All the components and parts, the generator, the fuel pump, wiring looks excellent. Up front, the grille is polished and the bumper looks new, and nice new welting, nice new hardware. This is all real nice. It's a dual carburetor motor. Looks like it's all restored back to original condition. Let's put seat belts in there. All new carpet. So it's a fun little car. I'm going to start it up for you. Steering wheel's real nice. You know, it's a manual 4-speed shifter. There we go. You got to pull a lever to start it. Just a lot of fun. You get this car out. It's a different experience than a lot of the American muscle cars I have. It's a different feel. You get to shift the gears, wind up that little motor. Got a little puff of smoke when I started it because this is a manual choke, so I have that pulled out right now. There you go, I just pushed in the choke. Once it warms up, it idles real nice and smooth. I'll pull that choke out just a little bit till it warms up. So there you go. Up in the top right of your screen, there's a tab you can click on, brings you right to this car. We have everything on our website that can help you buy this car. You can contact us on there or answer any questions. We have shipping, we have financing. Whatever hesitations you have, let us know. We can work through it. We sell 1,000 collector cars a year all over the world. We can make this happen for you. Said it'll come with these receipts, which documents what's been done to it. And ready to enjoy. Thank you.